Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị si na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. O nwere ife okwu n'ilu akwụkwọ mma achọ ka unu ga-esi ya bụ ife ọ na-adọrọpụrụ anyị ifu nche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you, sir.
And all our meeting here, all our hope here is that we want to have a meeting with our Prime Minister. And it will convince the people here in Palermo. Azubike is my coordinator here in Palermo. Then I am like a mobilizing officer. I am like a PRO. I control everything here now. Azubike is my leader. So if they come now, my point is, we want to speak with Simon for him to know that people are here in Palermo. At least it will mobilize people that they speak with the Prime Minister Simon. And the day we have this meeting, we meet this man in Boku. End of the day now, the meeting didn't go too well because not what we expect. Now we come to our forum here in Centralizing, Italy. We meet this man in Boku. He registered liaison office in Italy here. First, they contributed money. Even before I joined this group, when I was with the Chicken, then I joined this group January. Then when I counted this argument, I noticed that they contributed the money in the group. Iboku register a name, liaison office, which the man even talk with Azubike for us to donate the money because we contribute 200, we will make it 800, something like that. The WhatsApp is there with Azubike, and I hope is there. I want a Italian representative to explain us about this Iboku for us to know what to do and how to move on. Because now, liaison office, something like he has two now. Iboku registered one, and we now we registered another one. Which one are we following? That is my question. Oh, hey, Biafra.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
Thank you very much. Liaison office is not two. So the one that are here with the error machine is the Biafra, the only Biafra liaison office we have. So any other one is not part of us. And if you want to have a meeting with me in Palermo, I will be available. Let the error machine talk with the European rep. I will be available to have meeting with two people in Palermo or Palermo, what is it called? So I have not sent anybody to represent me, not before, not now. So I will be ready to have meeting with you people, gather as many as possible to have questions, and set up a meeting with myself and people in Palermo. I will come to talk to you people and answer your questions. Thank you.
God bless you, Pierre. Please, I want to say something here. Mazi Okoli, since he joined this group, Okoli has been a nice guy, a very sincere person, even Azubike Odom. So, something concerning Wiboko is something that we are going to send later. The liaison, the one he's saying now, the money we gave Wiboko and everything, the whole thing, the way he have asked them to give him 200 euro, that they want to open liaison office of 800 euro for them, and he gave them a name that they will use to send him the money. He said that I don't know whether he has another group which they said he give them one name telling them that that name is the person that is either the coordinator, I don't know. So they have to send the money in Western Union to that person, and they will now send him receipt. So I forwarded everything to Mazuche, but we are waiting for. We have already written a letter that we are going to give to Nwiboko to bring back the money we gave to him to register that thing he registered on with his name. So, but when Mazuche told me that when we finish this registration, we will now come to Nwiboko. So that's why me myself I will call you, because every day my members are calling me, telling me that we are not going to leave Nwiboko with that money. So I don't think we will go into it now. Everything based on you. Then concerning Palermo people, like what Odum said that we should give them chance. I told Odum and Palermo people in DOS in Italy, we have 40 zones with the 40 coordinators. And out of that 40 zone, myself, I form more than 10. You understand? Because I am almost the oldest member in IPB here. One of the coordinator, I'm one of those people that welcome Mazi Nandekano 2013 when he came here, Temple La Part. That's why Veneto have been doing well, because the fruit of our leader, Mazi Nandekano, march in this land of Padova and Veneto. That is why Veneto have been a power room to this struggle in Italy. So since the emergence of our PM and the Biafra Republic government in exile, we said we don't want to be having meetings like what we did before. We want this central government where everybody can be able to reach me and explain whatever is his or her problem. And if I cannot resolve it, I now take it to our European rep. And if need be, we can now invite our PM. We don't need people to be having meeting here, having meeting there. People in Padova, we are more in number than people in Palermo. And moreover, the people in Padova, we started this struggle in Italy. We never said, okay, Padova people, we want to have group. You understand? So everybody in Padova make their donation per head, not per group. We don't need any group thing in Italy. That's what I said, and we have said it. There's nothing like Palermo group, which Palermo people, they need Palermo group. I said there's nothing like Palermo group. Bring all those people, which they have brought them, they are up to 9 in our group here, and they are making their donation. So when they make donation in group, I say not group. Anybody that pay, give me the name of that person. I will write the name of the person, not Palermo group. If we start doing Palermo group, Brescia group, Milan group, we will not even get 500 euros at the end of the month. So sometimes with the effort I am putting, there will be a kind of complaint. People that will be complaining, I will not even know where to follow. It's not that I have a lot of people in Italy. The people that are complaining, they are even 1%. Italians are great people. They follow up. People like Mazi Joseph, people like Antonia, people like CY, people like Wadi Manela, people like Eda Barnabas. I cannot even count. You understand? So we have no problem here. Thanks, and God bless you.
All right, thank you very much. The issue of Nwiboko that you guys mentioned will be treated in the private, but because you have called his name here, his hand is up. So Nwiboko, can you unmute yourself? Do you have anything to say? And remember that we are not here to address anything. Just respond very vaguely as possible, because we are live, and I'm not here to begin to judge any case now at this point. So if you want to make a comment, I don't think it is necessary to make a comment, but if you want to make a comment, you make it as vague as possible so we can move on, please. Thank you. You have 1 minute.
Thank you, my Prime Minister. My camera is off. I don't know what caused it. However, this is a very strange hearing this evening. Very, very strange. However, it's just all lies and blackmail. And I would like you, Prime Minister, to, just as you said, we are going to talk about it. To not only that, to derive a particular day, we are going to talk so that there will be a kind of proof of whatever they have said. The last time European rep came here, it was a Tuesday before Easter. He spoke to us. He was reading lots of indications, new indications. Said the government is taking responsibility of whatever have happened. He was so apologetic. Then he promised he's going to come back to this Italian family. And since then, he has never been here. All this I'm hearing now is very, very strange. So I don't want to take things too long. So I'm waiting for the very good day. We're going to have a talk. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. So on this note, I am directing the CRC to take charge of this particular complaint. So CRC take charge of this from today and then send the report to me. So I would like to have a meeting with the people in is it Padova or Panama? Where is the Okoli Joseph? Where are you from? Which place? Commit yourself.
Palermo.
All right. So I would like to have meeting with people in Palermo, and of course, after that, your contribution or donation continues per head as the Euro machine said. So, but firstly, organize a day that I will have meeting with you people, and then you can inform others. Anybody who have anything to say or to ask or something that is bothering them or concerned, they can come and I will address them that day. But this issue that you just raised here, first directed it now to the CRC, so they will invite all of you, and then you go there and sort these things out. All right. Thank you very much, everyone. We are taking the closing remark now, or what? Thank you.
Yeah, we should be going to closing remark. Before then, Joseph Okoli, please unmute yourself. I've seen many people enter there to pick wine. What's the cheapest wine in that place? What's the cheapest wine in that place, Joseph Okoli? The cheapest wine in that place? Unmute yourself, please. Unmute yourself. What's the cheapest wine there, please?
Ngwalego wine. Mba, only shaka can cheapest wine though. Cheapest wine of red one, is it red or white? Which one you like?
Anyone. The cheapest wine there is how much?
8 euro, cheapest one, 8.
Okay, thank you. I just want to pick a point there, because I've seen many Biafrans enter this shop since we've been here, and they've been picking 1 or 2 or 3 bottles of wine. If the cheapest wine here is 8 euros, 6 euros, why will you be coming to donate $5 or 5 euros when you can consume 3 bottles of wine at a glow? So when the coordinator is saying, don't give us $5, don't give us 5 euros, don't give us 10, don't give us 15, because he knows God has given you the enablement to do more. So please, if you can consume more than 300 euros in a month, is it 50 euros that you cannot give the government to fight? A bullet is more than 5,000 naira. So when you now give $5, 5 euros, where does it go?
Azubike, right, Sonny, can you take Azubike for the last time? And another person.
Yeah, thank you very much. There's clarification I want to give here concerning someone who chat me up about the meeting here, which is not Mwiboko. I have explained to Ewo Machine and Okole Joseph. I still send this chat to our sister in France. I send it to Mwada Emanuela. Even the number, I don't know who is the owner of the number up to today. But there's still, I find it difficult why Okole Joseph said that he's a Mwiboko. It's not Mwiboko. It's not Mwiboko that chatted me up about the meeting, who said that we should pay 200 euro. I gave him the number to call. It's not Mwiboko. Thank you.
All right, thank you for the clarification. Thank you.
All right, I think with this, if that is the case, the issue have been resolved now. So the person say who chatted him is not Mwipoko. But anyway, if the CRC
Sir, we have proof. I have proof.
All right,
The letter sent to them was written in the name of Mwipoko.
No problem. You will say that to the CRC. So when they will finish it, OPPO, go ahead.
Yes, microphone. OPPO, you have no microphone. Connect your microphone. OPPO, connect your microphone, please. Please, we are rounding up. We are rounding up. OPPO, enable your audio device. The microphone is not connected. Okay, you're connecting. Euro machine, please prepare your vote of thanks while the Prime Minister will end the program. OPPO, all right, your audio is connecting. I will wait to see if it will go. Doesn't go, please call through your admin or reps or license officials and then make your submissions, please. Your audio is not connecting. Call through your reps or admin or license officials and make your contributions, please. So we have to go. Prime Minister has a lot on his table. Your audio is not connecting. Euro machine.
Okay. Thank you, fellow Biafrans. Thank you, our PM. Thank you, your entourage, the ministers, Minister of Finance, Minister of Information, honorable members. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting us. Italian family, we are good people. We love you all and we wish Biafra comes soon, and we will do everything within our possession, within our reach, to make sure that this freedom is achieved by the special grace of God. We also pray that Almighty God will guide and protect our PM, His Excellency EKPA. All the plans of enemies in the physical, in the open, they will return back to them in the name of Jesus. Any man that will see you and remember what that kills his or his son, his husband, his wife, his daughter, that person will never sleep and wake up. Anyone that sees you and begin to twinkle his eyes, that eye will be blind. Any day they will wake up to think of how to bring you down or to bring this struggle down, whoever they are going to use will never wake up to see that particular day. You are going to be like tomorrow, because tomorrow always remains. From me, from here, we say thank you all. As many of you who have supported Italy, Almighty God will replenish your pocket in 1 million fold, that when next the opportunity is called upon, you also have the opportunity to give and have in abundance. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, thank you. Before let's take this last person that has the audio on now. OPPO, your audio is on now. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, OPPO. Unmute yourself. All right, over to you.
Okay, don't reach my turn. Biafras, I greet everyone. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Our media warriors, I greet you, everybody. My PM, I greet you. Mininari Ugu, I greet you. Obatobie. Thank you for visiting us in Italy today. We thank you. Oku Ijiribia, Oga Wologi in your man at Italy. Ihe ọma ga-akpọ gị ihu na-eke orie afọ nkwọ. Echiche ọjọọ ọbụla ka nwoke ma nwaanyị na-echere gị, ọ ga-eji ya otu ọbụla si wee onye chee ka ọma akpụ ihe, onye chee ka ọjọọ akpụ ihu, otu akọ ga-adịrị ha n'ụtụtụ n'ehihie n'abalị. Jide aka ọma ka iji were na-eso anyị kwụ gị n'azụ, otu ọbụla si wee dịrị. Duru anyị gaba, aka ụmụ Chineke nọ gị n'isi. So enweghị mgbe ọjọọ ọbụla na-agba n'isi ga-aga enwe isi n'aha Chukwu okike abịa. It's because I want to donate €50, but the problem is that I don't know how to pay this money through this thing. Please, if I thought there's anyhow, you people can help me send the link how to send the money. Even it's like I have lost in this struggle for long now because it's paining me. I'm not doing anything since I lost. I don't know how to put it. If I lost a track or something like that, but I'm still listening to everybody that's talking and making broadcasts. What I mean is, people in Italy, please, I need the number to add me in the group so that I will be giving my own contribution. If not, because it's not every week, every month, Italy will do donation, and that's not supposed to be my position, because this thing we are doing, any soul that's serving Biafra land is my soul. It doesn't matter whoever, anybody, Biafra Liberation Army serve. Anybody that serve, every single soul they serve my soul. That's not only believe. Not only believe only believe when you're a man and 1 year on your beer. Only believe who 1 year and your man on your beer, get money. So, as in Ghana, as we are, this thing is going on, as I'm not contributing anything for long now, for more than 1 year and now, the thing is touching me. It's doing me like something going out from my body. So please, anybody that's controlling Italian this thing, or admin, please, I want to be a member, so that I will be giving my own contribution anyhow, even though it's €10, €20, it's money. At least it will help. Anyhow, please.
Thank you. Thank you. Check the chat session on this Zoom. I pasted the number for the Italian license. So you pick that number from there. You'll get to Euro Machine or Neoma or any of them there. Amuche, unmute yourself and go with 1 minute, please.
Pick the number now. Pick the number now and they contact the Euro Machine from the chat.
Amuche, unmute yourself. Amuche, unmute yourself. Amuche, unmute yourself.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Go back to you, please.
Yeah. Thank you very much. My Prime Minister, Udo.
Yes, go ahead. We don't have time.
Udo. Yes. I'm giving supporting with €100. Thank you very much for coming to Italy. We love you. We love you. Udo. Thank you very much. What you are doing for us. Thank you.
Thank you, Amuche. Prime Minister, over to you.
All right. May God bless all of you and those who have summoned the courage to come, and those who will summon the courage after the tour today. We are looking forward to having you back to this liberation phase of the Biafra. And remember that everybody should know that we have a lot to do, and Nigeria need to hear and feel the heat of our defense forces. It all boils down to the support we get from all of you all over the world. May God continue to guide us, and may the enemy of Biafra continue to cry. They will cry as their cry gives us joy, while we'll continue to do everything to protect our women and our children, and of course our land. So those of you who have supported today, may God replenish you in folds and 1,000 folds and million folds. Tomorrow, the struggle and liberation continues as our sit at home continues every Monday. May God bless all of you. From here, from me, is good evening. Airborne!
Airborne! Thank you, RTM. Airborne.
Airborne.
Thank you. May the Lord shine upon you.
ndị be anyị daalụ nne nnukwu unu si wee na-esore na Igbo Media dịka unu si na-esore anyị si na Chukwu ka abịa mapụrụ mmiri na ya gosi niile n'ofu n'ofu otu anyị kwuru otu akọ ya dịrịrị ise ekepekwa alụ ka itinye alụ nke gị na ihe niile na gbasara maka ihe Biafran Prime Minister kwugasị n'iru akwụkwọ ana ndị ọzọ dị iche iche kabarụ ka itinye alụ nke gị ife ichere n'ụdị nke gị gbasara maka ya bụ ife dịka anyị nọkwa na-echekwa olileanya na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ya pụta oge na-adịghị anya na n'ụlọ mkpọrọ anyị sị na Chukwu abịa maka inye ya ike nọnyere ya chekwaba ya mana anyị kwuru otu aka ọ ya dịrịrị ise. Thank you and also stay tuned at Eastern News 24 ka emesịa nụ ndị be anyị.